don't like something, change it. If you don't like your job, quit. If you don't have enough time, stop watching TV. Life is simple.
Right, so we just closed out one trade on ACG for how much, right? 4,342. And now we got another one running here on Top Step. A little bit of a smaller one, but $500 UPL at the minute. We're just gonna let this one ride till TP. Some lovely little food. Absolute screamer. And then look at the view. Tell me how you can beat this. It's literally, what time is it right now? 12 o'clock? Yeah, midday. That's how we're starting the day. Literally no better way to start the day, right? It's like insane.
Easy. I've got one running as well right now. Little 320.
On an Apex bar.
Yep. 50k.
Double. I don't even know what to say. I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna eat my food. I told you, they've got a statue of me outside, look. But they had to like make it a little bit smaller because it wouldn't fit underneath the...
Change it. If you don't like your job, quit.
If I was a rich girl, screaming it. Come on, we need to leave. Daddy's got to go to work.
5 more minutes, please. Wait, after this film.
Oh my god, you're playing bot lobbies. You're actually playing in bot lobbies. What is going on? How much health do people have now? I swear you had like 400.
Mate, it's impossible to play on a TV.
Get out. Where is my girlfriend? Check the Hoover section.
You don't have a girlfriend. Where's your boyfriend?
It's all been an illusion this whole time. Drone secured. I'm about to make the sickest content. I fly this over so many people's gardens with a zoom lens and just...
Can get some crazy OF angles. Come on, give us a little spin.
How are we looking, chat? It's not live. I get used to saying chat all the time, but good ass haircut. It feels good. I said to myself, before I start making money, I said the one luxury I want to invest in is like regular haircuts. Yeah. I feel like that is such a luxury to have. Or you feel 10 times better after a good trip.
You look good, feel good, and you make more money.
Look good, feel good, trade good. No, I'm joking. But yeah, let's go get some lunch and then test out this new drone. Fuck it. Hey, you're darling. No, wait, no. What do we think?
Fake out foreman.
What do we think, Pookie? How's the food?
Scrumptious. This is going to be a scrumptious trade.
You're not going to get a trade here.
I'm about to whack 100 contracts down on this.
This looks insane. I'm going to munch this. Alright, so good morning guys. It is, what day is it? Friday, final day of market open, and we're going to do what we did yesterday, go trade the London session, but we're going to the Four Seasons this morning because, I don't know, why the fuck not? Maybe get some lunch, some coffee, some water, to go trade there. I've got some work to do as well, I've got some meetings to jump on, so that's the plan for this morning. Then we're going to go ahead and trade on stream when we get back. The weekend, we've got some crazy shit planned, but yeah man, I'm excited to be honest. I think the market looked pretty good before we left. Maybe we can get some in. Anyway, if not, we'll show you guys the Four Seasons anyway. It's fucking beautiful. It's actually probably my favourite place on the island. Yeah, we'll be there in a bit and we'll show you.
Yeah, it's fucking fire though.
I've never seen places like this ever. Like, until I came here, I've never seen places like this.
It's like being in Blackpool.
Eastbourne.
Oh, you know it's bougie when they got the koi fish. Yeah. Fucking hell, look at the size of him.
He's well excited about the fish.
Big bastard.
Are you the fish connoisseur?
I'm the large one in a fish full of small ponds.
In a fish full of small ponds?
Fuck.
That's not the saying.
I feel no shame getting the margarita in an Italian restaurant.
Mate,
I feel no shame.
That is the word.
Right, here's my philosophy with getting a margarita, right, is I would never go to a restaurant and get something that I've never had before, because
What?
think of this in
you're
terms
limited.
of trading. Listen, you're opening yourself up to the potential risk of not liking your meal, and this is a meal that you're going to pay for as well.
No. But
Whereas if you get the margarita, I know I love a margarita, so if I get a margarita, it's a guaranteed screamer.
you're playing it safe though. You will never have a new experience. Without me, you wouldn't have had any new experiences because if you go to a restaurant and never try something new, you would have never tried, you know, like calamari or
Yeah, but
whatever it is.
you try it at home.
No, you don't try it at home because
And
your
then-
mum can't cook for shit.
Okay. No, so it's like a warm-up. You warm up your taste buds, you know, like, okay, this is nice, and then you go get it at the restaurant.
That is the most retarded thing I've ever
It's
heard.
logical.
So you're basically saying never try anything new. Chat. Words of wisdom from Tom. Never try anything new because you might not like it.
No, that's really disciplined risk management.
Never try trading because you might not enjoy it.
Can't let you do this. I don't know if I'm never gonna be the same.
You can't just start the camera and say, go on then. Go on then. What am I, a seal? A performing seal? You say something. Give it here.
Good boy. Good boy.
This is more your size, isn't it? I'll get you one of these.
No, that's me on the bottom.
Cyprus for my best friend. Here you go.
Grab me that black one down there.
Weezy out of here.
Rose gold seat on a fucking helicopter, double C, no Chanel, cause you bad. Riding Kawasaki like a cup, you a new Rari, let you ride it, now you rap, and you bad. No plan, no Atari, I won't play with you for nothing, I can eat you like hibachi, cause you bad.
That was better.
Celebrate this night with me. Although it's not the last time. There's a fire inside me. Celebrate this night with me.
This is Captain Retard speaking.
This is your captain speaking. Today we've got a little light landing into Lengelsal Airport.
You are Captain Retard.
We're going down! This is British Airways Flight 782. I've got a bomb, I repeat.
Where's the land spot here?
Hey, Bo.
Will, what that is? Do you not get the concept?
Father some reason, hit the block level fuck nigga dead. He was talking too much in the cell. You said I got pay-per-view, hit him with lead. Love about how the blick be singing that nigga that switch up.
It's phone, right? Read this. Hello Haley, I hope things are well. I just wanted to send my notice, formally handing in my notice. He's quitting his job right here, right now. We're gonna get him to quit his job. Free man, eh? A free man.
I'm out on the neighbours.
Holy shit! He's actually gone. He's actually quit. This is by far the most NPC thing I've ever done in my life. Yeah.
sounded like some iceberg for a second.
Bro, I hurt my ass so bad. That was fun though.